everybody. Welcome back to Grandma's Corner, where low-budget videos are made just for you. Today, we are going to be making a mask. This is a no-sew mask, so you can fold away and get your safety mask on to wear in town to keep yourself healthy and to keep other people from getting something that you might not want them to get. I have a bandana that I'm going to use today, and I actually cut this. This is 16 inches by 16 inches, and I think it's a great size. I tried using this behemoth this morning, and it just didn't work. Too much material, even though I love the color. All right, the other thing you need to have, 2 rubber bands for hair. If they've got cloth on them, and you don't want to get the kind you get around a newspaper. Those will pull your hair out and yank your ear. These are much better, so go raid your sister or your mom's drawer. What I use to cut the material are pinking shears. You might not have them, but I do because I sew, but it creates a nice edge where the material won't fray. What does fray mean? It means to have the material come apart and you get threads and stuff, and you don't want that. All right, here we go, folks. Let's take our piece of material and let's start folding. Pretend this is origami. All right, you're going to take the bottom length and you're going to fold up to approximately the halfway mark. And you're going to take the top now and fold it to that halfway mark again. And pinch your material, flip it over, just like you would do a backflip on a diving board. And we're going to repeat the process. Bada bing, bada bang. Take the bottom and fold it about halfway. Give it a good crease. Take the top, fold it to the halfway mark, and match those edges, edge to edge. Give it a nice crease. Pinch the ends again. Flip over. See what happens? Sometimes you have a straggler. And now this is where you put on the rubber band. If you put on the rubber band about 1/3 of the way down, that'll be a good size for an adult. If you have a really large face, keep your rubber bands more towards the outside of the material. If you are a smaller person, you can move those rubber bands in and then it'll be a tighter fit. Now that we have our rubber bands on, we're gonna fold to the center, fold to the center, and guess what? There you go. You just have made a COVID-19 face mask. How attractive is that? Get your game on, find your material, and let's get folding. Hey, thanks for joining me. Have a good day.